Yeah, what's up everyone? Let me just run through quick of how I managed to trade Nasdaq today, making this nice two-hour trade, banking $1,000 on the day on the Thursday of 26th of March. Let's get into it. So here we have the daily time frame. Here we have the daily time frame, and right away I could see we have Monday we traded higher into this level. The other two assets do have a FEG, and like you can see there, ES and YM do have both FEGs. So let's just go back to NQ really quickly. So here we can see Tuesday was a consolidating day because Monday was such a huge expansion day. Tuesday we consolidated, and Wednesday we took out this high on the other assets, and we failed to take out this high on NQ. Like you can see there, NQ failed to take out this high, and this little circle box here, it is a sign for me, a signature for me, that we do have a bullish candle here, which is a PSP SMT. So we do have two states SMT. YM has made a bullish candle, and NQ made a bearish candle. So that initially gave me a bearish bias. So let's get into intraday price action. Coming into the day, we could see we do have an initial reversal here at the highs. ES takes out this high right there the other day, yesterday. ES takes out this high, and Nasdaq fails to take out this high. That's the daily FG we have there. So here on the intraday price action on the hourly time frame, we can so you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, we have another SMT right there. So let's go to the other two assets, and you can see ES makes a equal high, and YM makes a failure swing. YM fails to take out that high. So let's go back to NQ real quick. So we do have an SMT, and we start to expand away from that SMT, creating gaps in the market right there, early Asia session, and we do have a confirmed closure through the opposing candle right there, making this a confirmed high of day candle for me. So what do I see next? So I see next that we do end up trading into this gap on all assets. All the assets manage to trade into the gap, but one of the assets fails to take out this high right here. Like you can see, ES takes out that high, and YM takes out that high, but NQ fails to take out that high right there on the 1 hour time frame. Here we go, right there. NQ fails to take out that high going into the 1 minute time frame. We do get an early morning setup on London right there. Do get an early morning setup on London, but I was not available on London session to get this nice 4 hour trade on London session right there. So I didn't take that one, so let's scratch that. Let's move on. So let's move on and go to a time frame that we managed to trade. So here's where things start to happen. We have 930 coming in. We already took this low. So now what are we gonna do? We need a retracement. So if we can look here, we can see that we have a 90-minute FEG waiting for us here. On the 90-minute, we have a FEG, and we start to expand higher. All the assets starts to expand higher, but I'm still not bullish. If we can see, all the assets start to expand higher. Look at ES. ES basically takes out that high of day that I have on NQ. ES takes out that high of day that I have on NQ. ES takes out this high. Nasdaq does not take out that high, and Nasdaq makes another failure swing right there, giving me a two-stage S&P on the day right there into this key level, 90-minute key level, and giving us a failure swing right there. So let's pop down to our 3-minute, and we can see how we managed to enter this trade. Let me just quickly make this correct. So coming into the 3-minute, all I want to see now is for NQ to trade lower, closing below this. opposing candle right there. And there we get it. There we get it. I'm in. I'm in. And the rest is history. I'm in there and I got my nice 2R. Nice 2R winning for the day. Uh, all done and dusted.